Let's make these DIY cubes to get perfect skin. It will surely remove hyperpigmentation and keep your skin away from acne and pimples. Firstly, we need cucumber. We'll grate it and slice with water. After getting cucumber juice, add 1 tablespoon of apple cider vinegar. Stir it well and pour the solution into a cube tray. So here our cubes are ready.
Living life just like we're supposed to. Goodbye to the past.
Use it daily for better results.
That kept tearing us down.
Subscribe my channel for more videos.